Super bright LED, illuminates up to 85 meters with a 360 lumen beam of LED light in high mode. This headlamp can light up the room, or the campsite, with ease. Maximum durability, features a durable construction that withstands 1 meter drop test, a shatterproof lens, and a water-resistant IPX4 rated body, making this headlight the perfect rugged companion both indoors and outdoors. 7 versatile modes, provide 7 light modes: high, low, wide, wide-low, red, flashing red, and green. With versatile modes, you'll have optimal lighting for just about any situation. Long run time, long-lasting and effective with up to 50 hours of LED light in low mode. So you have the reliable power and light you need. The perfect backup light in case of power outages. Batteries included. This LED headlamp runs on 3 Energizer Max AAA batteries, batteries included, so you have the power and visibility you need, right out of the box. Ready to go hiking, running, camping, hunting, and so much more. Buy with confidence, trust in the Energizer brand for reliable power and performance in any situation. Named Best Overall, The Drive named this headlamp Best Overall in their editorial recommendations for the best camping headlamps, calling it high-powered and long-lasting. Now it's time to get yours. Top reviews from the United States. Okay. What have I been playing at? Hands-free flashlights. Now, who would have thought that this is exactly what us critters, with barely 2 hands, needs to see stuff in dimly lit nooks and crannies and in the dark, working on computers, rewiring guitars, running cables under studio desks, searching for stuff in the back of the closet or the attic, for crawling under the house. You can use both hands. These things are great. Adjustable brightness, just hold the on button to get that done. Red and green light for night vision, perfect for astronomy and night hikes. Map and compass reading are so much easier accomplished with both hands free. Get one. I bought one. Then I bought another one. Because the first one was brilliant.